So, where am I sitting right now? I'm sitting on the steps of the brand new car hauler, a 46-foot gooseneck. It is amazing. So I've been looking for a trailer for a long time that fits all the criteria that I was looking for, and I finally ran across one that was affordable, and especially with today's prices on trailers and things like that. So what I found was a 46-foot gooseneck. It has 23 foot of garage and 23 feet of living quarters. Now, this trailer is pretty freaking amazing. So as you come in the living quarters, I don't have lights on, so it's kind of dim. But anyways, we've got a microwave, we've got a stove, we've got our kitchen sink, we've got a pretty big fridge with a big pantry. And to the right over the bed, you have a queen size bed that lifts up and has storage underneath it. No television, so we'll get a television put in. Radio's never even been used. Then it's got yourself a full bathroom. Got a shower, sink. This is going to make track life pretty freaking amazing. And then as we make the walk to the back of the trailer, oh, sorry, there's a plane flying overhead. As you can see, this trailer is really big. It's pretty awesome. So as we come to the back side of the trailer, we've got ourselves the cargo area, fully kitted with cabinets. We've got a generator door on the other side that sits into here. We've got, we'll have to modify this. This has our winch hole, so we'll modify that so we can put a winch in there. Got a big hang our race suit in there. Our inverter box with the power supply. So yeah, so took a trip up to Georgia Sunday night, left about 1 o'clock in the morning. Took about 8 hours to get up there, grab the trailer, drive back 8 hours. Made for a pretty long drive, but it was pretty worth it. I've been searching for this style of trailer for probably about 5 or 6 years, just waiting for the right deal with the right configuration to come up that was affordable for me, and especially right now when guys are waiting sometimes a year to get a newly built one, and I didn't have to wait but a couple weeks to get some time off to get up to Georgia once I found it. Yeah, so if you're looking for a used trailer, I mean, don't give up hope. There are some deals out there still. You might just have to be patient. And walk down this side here. It's got a big double people door on the back side of it. It's got your generator door with the pull-out slides already installed. It's your vents for your refrigerator. Like I said, it's a huge trailer, big gooseneck. I've already talked to a company about getting some stickers made for it, and yeah, it's a pretty good sized trailer. So not much car stuff in this one, other than just wanted to show you guys the trailer that we just picked up for. So if you guys do make it out to an event and you see our trailer, it'll be pretty identifiable once we get the logos put on it. Just swing by and say hi. We'd like to meet everybody. So till next time, we'll see you guys.
Powered by Ocho.